chocolates, we are in for a great and gastronomical afternoon. Who's excited?
Kami!
Are you sure?
Yes!
I see a lot of familiar faces here, so I know that you all are super familiar with our chocolates, but yung masasabi ko lang talaga, you are going to see something else and something really special na ginawa ng ating chef and our baristas, that they incorporated our sweet and also our bitter chocolate into something really good. So, to start this event, I would like to talk a little bit about the brand, the purpose of this collaboration, and the whole purpose of why we are doing such events in the past few months. So if you guys don't know, we have been conducting these events since last year alongside the different restaurants and establishments here in Davao City so that we can empower and bring in what cacao has to offer. So in Davao, we know that we are very blessed with good fruits, but a lot of people, especially locals ourselves, don't really come to realize that we are also very blessed with cacao. This is something that we have to be proud of because a lot of people come to Davao, source their cacao here, and make it into something special wherever they are. So here on stage, we are going to have a special few words from the owner and founder of Cacao de Davao himself. May I please welcome Ethan Kylan.
Hello. Yeah, hello. Thank you everyone for coming. Alam ko, very busy kayo despite the traffic and init. Pumunta pa rin kayo. We really appreciate it. We are very grateful. For sure, David, thank you so much, and to Ma'am Liza for supporting local industries and of course, Cacao. And I know you are very excited sa i-launch natin. And this is the first hotel partner ni Cacao de Davao. We're gonna launch the menu. And we are really excited about this. So, guys, thank you for coming and supporting local. And continue supporting local in the Davao province. Thank you everyone. And buhay po kayo.
So just take one.
Babae.
You have to really savor it. Dapat malaman mo yung flavor.
Yeah, don't chew it.
And I'm so sure mabuabagan yung flavor.
Original.
Original daw.
Sige pa, try mo pa.
Alam sa kaitan o sa kabanduitan.
So ito na yung choices. I know it's hard, but there's actually a distinct flavor. Parang naparami na ata to siya. It will tasting.
Kain siya na tasting.
Okay. So I want you to guess ano bang. So we have here the dishes that we have. Let's start with.
So, okay. We're going to open the out. I'm Chef Vance. I'm the executive sous chef for Market Ransom. So, I was actually given a task to, let's just say, utilize Cacao de Davao into a dish. Wherein, yung una ko talaga yung iisip was adobo. Because adobo is the most familiar flavor for the Filipinos. And also, as well as, it goes well with chocolate. Surprisingly, it does. So later on, you'll taste the food, but I just have to let you know that it's a bit spicy. Because not only that it has a bitter note, we incorporated also Philippine Versailles chili. Just to balance out the flavor, and also it has pineapple for additional sweetness. And for the sweets, we have the triple chocolate cookie, wherein we utilize the cacao nibs, the cacao powder, and also our tape. We use the cacao nibs to substitute for the nuts, wherein surprisingly as well, it's more crunchy compared to some peanuts or the walnuts. Because cacao itself is very kumbaga it's already toasted and it actually develops more the flavor of the nibs. And as well as later on, will be served brownie alam dito, the tablay. Thank you.
A winning piece that I did in Dubai. It's called Banafil. But this time around, I'm gonna do it as with cacao. So it's a rum, our local rum here in the Philippines, which is the one that was made by Distillery Alintuao. So it's a very old Captain rum. So that's one of the key ingredients. And then of course, the cacao of Cacao de Davao. It's the Tablea 70%. So it's a bit strong, but you will feel the notes of the cacao, the coffee, and of course a hint of orange. Kasi orange is very good
talaga.
paired with chocolate. And of course our mom.
Cheers! Thank you so
Be with us today. I know it's Friday and everyone is busy and the city is very busy. And I would like to greet also everyone to Happy Kadayawan no? In advance.
Kadayawan.
So, of course, I would like to acknowledge the Cacao de Davao. Thank you so much, Ethan, for partnering with Park in Radisson Davao in this very good collaboration where we promote cacao, being the cacao capital of the Philippines. So let's support the local market, let's support everybody, and let's continue to support our local products. And of course, support also Park in Radisson Davao. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, and once again, thank you, Cacao de Davao.